Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I just have a few purchases would like to share with you, and I'd like to get rid of all these boxes here that are taking up my living room. So even though this should be a quick video, I wanted to clean up things here. So first up, I got from Nordstrom these Dolce Vita open toe mules, I guess you would call them. Slides, mules, what do you call these? Are they mules? Are they slides? I don't have any in black, and I have to say, I love this type of sandal, I guess you'd call it, because it's easy. Just slip your foot in and go. I don't really plan on wearing this with like dresses or anything like that because it's too clunky. I was thinking this more in terms of jeans. I will style this how I was thinking I would style it, and so you can get an idea. Nordstrom on sale, $99.99 was my price. Next up, I overpaid for these, but these were just too cute and I couldn't pass up on them. So I'm going to come closer so you can see these. They're like a crochet detail. They're also by Dolce Vita. And if you haven't tried their sneakers, I mean, not only are their shoes pretty stylish and comfortable, they're fashion sneakers. I walked all around Montreal in my Dolce Vitas and they were so comfortable. And these don't have anything to tie them. They're just like a little knot here on the end. Your foot just slides in. Again, I'm lazy. And they weren't slipping at all. They're very comfortable. They cradled my heel. They had good arch support. So I bought these because they're just like the other ones I have, except like these are crochet and like a new color. The other ones I got were like a tan suede type of material. But these were just too cute. Couldn't pass them up. And I guess I'm starting to become like a sneaker person. And these were $145, but I noticed them starting to sell out, so I wanted to grab them. Next up, an Amazon purchase, and I'll try and link below. These were not expensive, but since I have all these one-shouldered tops now, I wanted to get some one-shouldered sports bras to wear with them so I wouldn't be stuck wearing a strapless bra. So I think I purchased a size small. No, I purchased a size medium in these, okay? I'm a 34D for reference, CD, depending, on the brand and everything. So I got a medium, and hopefully that was the right choice. They're extremely padded, 2 different cups for padding. However, there is a way to remove the pads. There is like a little hole in here where you can stick your finger in and grab the pads and remove them if you don't like the pads. When I try this on for you, it will be with the pads so you can get an idea of what it looks like. All right, give me a minute and I will do a try on. Okay, I'm modeling 2 things for you. One that you cannot see, and that is the sports bra. I'm glad I got a size medium. A size small would have been too small. This runs small. The fabric is very thick and ribbed, which I'm okay with because the items I'm planning on wear underneath, it will work for this. So I'm wearing this black one-shoulder sweater that it's like a thin sweater that I got from my Front Door Fashion. It is also ribbed. So the fact of having a ribbed sports bra underneath, I think, is no big deal. I put them on with my Lola straight leg jeans that I also got from our Front Door Fashion. I think I could use fixing the... Usually I fold underneath the length on these, but I didn't get a chance to do it because they're a little bit long, these Lola jeans, just a tad. But that's okay. I have on my black mules with them. I don't have any open toe black mules, and this is how I would wear these mules. And I'm very happy to add these mules to my wardrobe. I don't think for a pair of leather mules, $99.99 is that crazy nowadays. As much as I think it is crazy, that's what the prices are. And I like a good quality shoe. I feel Dolce Vita is extremely good quality and comfortable. Yeah, I'm happy with the shoes, and I'm happy to add them to my wardrobe, and I'm happy to get rid of some of these boxes piled over here to the left. All right, give me a minute and I'll do another try on. Okay, so I ran into a little snafu with the sports bras and this particular top. This particular top has the shoulder on this side, and the sports bra was like the black one with the shoulder and this on this side. So I removed the cups, flipped the sports bra around backwards, and I said, why not? Why can't I wear the cups on the backwards side? Because it did allow me to put in the cups through there. So I did that and it works. So I would say these sports bras are pretty reversible. I mean, I don't know if they're meant to be reversible, but it works, okay? And I much rather wear something like this versus a strapless bra. I am warning you, they are thick, they are ribbed, they are 90% nylon, 10% spandex, but they'll support me enough, and they're a heck of a lot more comfortable than a strapless bra. All right, so I highly recommend these. I think I got them for like $14 and change from Amazon. They came 3 in a pack. They were different colors, but I went with the black, the ivory, and the gray. All right, so I just paired it with this other one strap top that I have from Loft, this cute little set. And I put on the Dolce Vita sneakers, and they're just like the other ones, extremely comfortable. So I highly recommend these sneakers if you're into fashion sneakers. They're cute and they're extremely comfortable. They have a lot of support to them. And that is it. Thank you for hanging out with me. I appreciate you spending this time with me. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for your overwhelming support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.